Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining us. Here in Fargo, we're looking off to the north, a few planes landing at Hector. We've generally seen clear skies for most of our day, and at times we've been able to see faint hints of the northern lights, even from our South Fargo Skycam. I got to tell you, though, the view is much better out of town. Check this out. This is the Northern Lights, Starlink, and the Big Dipper. And I want to pull this back to the beginning so you can see those vibrant colors of the Northern Lights there on the horizon. And then zooming in is where you can see the Starlink satellites cutting right through the Big Dipper. Philip capturing this just southeast of Thief River Falls. We would love to see your Northern Lights photos, and other folks around the region would too. On your Valley News Live weather app on the bottom right-hand corner, there's a little camera icon. Click on that, and then you can add your media, upload your photos right from your phone after you take them. Now, here in Fargo, temperature is starting to dip. We're now down to 49 degrees. 48 current temperature in Moorhead. Winds light out of the east at 3 miles per hour. 53 in Grand Forks, clear skies, easterly breeze at 5 miles per hour. Temperatures are dipping into the 40s and 50s now, so we're looking towards another chilly night. Satellite and radar showing those clear skies. There's a bit more cloud cover off to the west. It's a little slower to move in than originally anticipated. This line of clouds here is actually out towards Bismarck and Minot, so just a little bit slower to move in. Through the rest of the night, I do anticipate that cloud cover to move in to parts of eastern North Dakota and some patchy fog to develop in parts of the Southern Valley and out to the east as well. Parts of northern Minnesota, where we have clear skies and light winds, temperatures will be dipping into the 30s. Our forecast model here does not have a great grip on these temperatures, and in fact, I looked through several forecast models and this was the coolest one. I highly anticipate temperatures are going to be in the 30s across parts of northwestern and north central Minnesota into the daybreak hours of tomorrow morning. So cover up those sensitive plants, maybe bring them in for the night. Heading into the afternoon, cloud cover continues to overspread and the breeze picks up out of the south and east. That breeze is going to mix out any fog as well that we see in the morning. A little bit more sunshine for parts of the afternoon, but temperatures once again stuck in the 60s and low 70s, so a little bit warmer than where we were today. Then additional cloud cover arrives late with our next chance of rain coming on Thursday. We'll talk about that in a second. But another look at that frost advisory. It goes into effect at 3 a.m., so several hours from now, and continues until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning for parts of northwestern and north central Minnesota. Bemidji, Baudette, you are included in this frost advisory. Then heading into tomorrow afternoon, again, temperatures looking to be in the 60s and 70s. Here comes our next front on Thursday. It's going to bring some scattered showers with a chance for some thunder to the south and to the east, generally after the 4 o'clock time frame. A few more showers into Friday. Not expecting a lot of beneficial rainfall, but around a ½ an inch possible in some areas. Now look at your ProSeed farming forecast. Although we're going to be chilly tonight and into tomorrow morning, temperatures will be warming back up. Most days, morning lows in the 50s, aside from Sunday morning, with afternoon highs warming into the mid and upper 70s.
We're getting into this trend, some cooler mornings and some nice afternoons.
Yeah, we've got to switch between a heat in the car in the morning and air conditioning.
Layers of clothes.
Yeah, thanks, Summer. Well, when we come back, we'll show you how those who were imprisoned at Fort Lincoln State Park in North Dakota are being honored and remembered.